Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to change the color of the mouse pointer on Windows 11. So first you have to go to the search and then click mouse settings. You have to write the mouse settings here first. Then it will come. And from there you will have tons of options here. You click on the scroll and go to the mouse pointer and touch. Click here. And there you'll have this option. Click it. You'll see the color of the mouse pointer it change. You can choose other colors too. It's gonna change depending on the color you choose. There is also like this section where you can create your own color and it will change depending on that. And if you want to revert back and you don't want that, you just click here and it will go back to the white, the normal one you usually use. So that's how you change the color of the mouse pointer. And if you like the video, please thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks a lot.